Have you ever wondered what is inside your laptop and how it works?
When we open a laptop, we discover many important parts working together.
The motherboard is the main board that connects all the components and allows them to communicate. The processor is the brain of the laptop that handles instructions and performs calculations. RAM is temporary memory that helps the laptop run programs quickly and smoothly. The SSD stores your files, operating system, and applications while providing fast performance. The cooling system removes heat and keeps the laptop running safely. These ports allow you to connect external devices like monitors, headphones, and storage drives. The keyboard and touchpad send your commands to the laptop system. All these components work together to turn a collection of parts into a powerful computer. A laptop may look simple from the outside, but inside it is a world of advanced technology.
The display system creates the images you see and receives signals from the laptop's mainboard.
The webcam and microphone allow video calls, recordings, and voice communication.
The built-in speakers convert electronic signals into the sound you hear. The hinges hold the screen in place and allow the laptop to open and close smoothly. Power circuits control and distribute electricity to every component inside the laptop. The CMOS battery helps the laptop remember important settings even when it is turned off. The network components help the laptop communicate with wireless networks.
The fan pushes hot air out and prevents the internal parts from overheating.
The frame and protective covers keep all the delicate components safe inside. Tiny cables and connectors carry power and data between different parts. Every single part has an important role in making the laptop work perfectly. From tiny chips to powerful processors, every component inside a laptop works together to create modern technology. After all components work together, the operating system starts and controls the entire laptop. The processor, memory, and storage constantly exchange data to complete every task. Deep within the canopy, the struggle for survival drives unique adaptations. The power system manages energy and helps the battery last longer. Smart power features help the laptop save energy and start quickly when needed. External connections allow the laptop to expand its abilities with other devices. The motherboard acts like a communication center where every component connects. Inside every laptop, millions of tiny electronic signals move every second. Modern laptops also include security features to protect your information. A laptop becomes useful because all its parts combine their power for different activities. Technology continues to improve, making laptops smaller, faster, and more powerful. Every component has a purpose, and together they create a complete computer system. From the smallest chip to the largest component, everything inside a laptop matters. Now you know what is hidden inside the device you use every day. This was the complete journey inside a laptop. Follow for more amazing technology videos.